So I've talked about the breath coming from your diaphragm, and I've talked about the importance of breathing, and I'll make sure I link that video into this video so you know exactly what I'm talking about and how to control your breath and underpin your voice when it comes to public speaking. But now let's talk about how to actually warm up our voices, because without a warm voice, our voices can crack. So when we speak, what happens is our nerves get, as we get more nervous, our voices get constricted. So for women, our voices will go higher, and for men, our voices will tend to go slightly lower. But we need to be aware that we've got to use the entire resonance. That's your head, your throat, and your chest. And we've got to warm them up so they don't just happen. You don't get out of bed. A singer doesn't just start singing. They do a vocal warm-up. And a lot of people, when it comes to public speaking, skip this because they've got no idea. And it's not your fault. It's not anyone's fault. It's just one of those things. An actor, a singer, a performer knows they've got to warm up their voice. And the reason we're warming up our voice is to get our vocal cords moving and avoid getting a thing called nodules. And these are things that sit on your vocal box, on your voice box and your voice vocal cords. They're not nice. And many a singer's career has been cut short because they haven't been able to protect their voices, because we're putting our voice boxes under a lot of strain. So how do we do it? How do we get our voices going? Well, the first thing we've got to do is identify our own sound. Now, our own sound is unique to us, and it comes from here. Now, you can do this on an om, or you can do it on an r, or any kind of open vowel sound. So oo, r, a, and we're not going to put any consonants in front of it. We're just going to let the sound out. Now, this is where you come back to looking at the other video, and I want you to take your deep breath in, and I want you to feel that your chest is going out like a pendulum, not a pendulum, like an accordion. So I want you to take a deep breath in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let that voice out. So here it goes. Ah, so that's what we're looking for. And there's no stress, there's no pressure, there's nothing actually on the voice. I'm just letting out my natural sound. And I used an R sound because that's my personal preference. But you play around with your own sound. What I would say is try and avoid the E sound because you're stretching and you're putting pressure. So we've got to now look at how we can do and create those sounds. So one of the things that we do is we go E, ah, ooh, ooh. Now this sounds very much like singing, and it is in effect singing, but I just want you to think about e, 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 ah, 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 ooh, 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 ooh. Now in those cases I put a glottal stop in front of it, and that means that I'm putting a sound in front of the sound. So what we're looking for is that through sound of e, ah, ooh, eh. So you can see what I'm trying to do is just get that sound going. Now to do that sound, I've got to lift my soft palate at the back of my throat. Not the easiest things. And if you notice, I'm trying to keep my mouth open, which is even harder. And the space is actually 2 fingers. So now let's try it again. So you can see we actually have to have space, because if we don't have space, we don't get any sound coming out. So that's just one simple exercise. Now, what we can do is we can take it a little bit further. One of the things that I really like to do is get the mouth going. We've talked about this before. We've talked about meringue. What we haven't covered is the purse, the buzz, the ders, and the gers. Now, when it comes to doing this, I've got lipstick on, so that makes it much harder. So guys, men, it's a lot easier for you because you're probably not wearing lipstick, although some people will be. So if you're wearing lipstick, I want you to think about making that mouth work even harder. So pa 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 pa. So we've got that R sound at the end. Ba 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 ba. We've got that bar sound. Now this is a glottal stop. Ga 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 ga. Now how am I making that ga sound? Actually, I'm lifting my tongue at the back, so it's a bit weird. It's like you're trying to lift and make your R sound with the back of your tongue going good. So I'm not using the front of my tongue. I'm actually using the kind of the back, and I've got that right up against my soft palate, in the bit between your soft palate and your hard palate, and I'm going ga 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 ga. Now we're going to try the her sound. Now, when it comes to the her sound, I want you to start thinking about your laughing. You should really feel this one in down here in your diaphragm. You should be able to go, and that's a really good tip, is to absolutely lean into it. Now we can put those together. That was wrong. So I'll get there. No, we'll start that one again. And this is what I mean. Not the easiest thing in the world, but it is definitely worthwhile trying to do it. And this will get your mouth and your sounds going. So we're going to now we can go into curs, which is and there's many more sounds, but just for right now, that's all I want you to start doing, and think about getting that. Now link the other video with your breathing with this one, and you're starting to get there, and you can confidently public speak and present on camera anytime you need to be in front of a crowd, and you can do this in the toilet. If you want any more top tips on how to public speak or how to present with confidence, get in touch. If you want to start nailing it today, then go and look at my Rock Your Online Presence series of courses. There's a trio there that will really help you really shake up and streamline your content marketing. And if you want to know more, get in touch. I'm Kirsty Vanderbalk, and I'm a communication and brand strategist.